Area, wetin dey happen for there? Something hot, slim and stylish don land. I dey talk of no other phone than the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. Abi make I sama this phone for wall? I no go wan try am. Make I no go buy wetin I no go fit pay for. My people, welcome to Tech Bobo HQ, where I dey give una full gist about gadget wey sabi, so you go fit get value for your hard-earned money. Now, make you enter the matter as e dey hot, because na Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus we dey yarn about. Na the first time wey Infinix go show muscle give us better curved screen phone with slimmest body, and I gats commend them for this beautiful work of art. As we all sabi, Infinix just released their Hot 50 series, wey get Infinix Hot 50, Hot 50 Pro and Hot 50 Pro Plus. But na the Hot 50 Pro Plus stand out pass for this series, and I no go lie, them really try well this time. Now, make we talk about price and package. Looking at the Infinix Hot 50 series, na Hot 50 Pro Plus be the most expensive for this category. The price na about 300,000 or even more, depending on where you dey buy from. Now, make I no forget to yarn about wetin we get inside the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus box and the packaging. This phone come with Type-C wired earpiece, and headphone jack port no go be wahala again. Which one be say e make sense? 33-watt charger head, Type-C USB cable, rubber phone case, screen protector, MTN data card. Even get two speaker wey be say na JBL power am. Next na the SIM card tray. You fit use 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. E get under display fingerprint sensor, and e dey very active without wahala. If you check the Infinix Hot 50 series, e clear say na the Hot 50 Pro Plus be the big deal here, because e be the slimless and the lightest for the category. The AMOLED curved display na another level, and e sweet me well. And 1300 nit peak brightness go allow you to operate your phone when you dey under light weather. But one thing be say, curved screen phone like this Hot 50 Pro Plus no too dey easy to maintain, and na wetin fit make some people choose just the Hot 50 or Hot 50 Pro instead. Make I know whether na the Hot 50 Pro Plus you go like buy, or you go just choose the normal Hot 50. This phone slim die, e no go stress you when you hold am. E weigh just 162 grams, very sleek and lightweight. My people, Infinix talk say if your phone fall, make you no even worry, because them design this phone with cunning Gorilla Glass. You dey feel am? The frame na plastic and the back na plastic, but this one wey I dey hold for my hand na leather. I no go lie, I love this leather back well. E dey give me premium feel, and I believe say ladies go really like am. Na only Hot 50 Pro Plus come with cunning Gorilla Glass, and na one of the reasons wey im price high like this. Hot 50 Pro Plus come with 6.78-inch 120Hz refresh rate, 1080p AMOLED screen display. The bezel na small compared to Hot 50 Pro. E get high screen ratio. This one go give you correct display when you dey watch your favorite content. My people, where una dey? Make una gather here for the camera update. Make we scatter am for floor, whether the camera na quality or na quantity. The rear camera na 50MP, and the front camera na 13MP selfie camera with depth lens, wey make Hot 50 Pro Plus stand out for the Hot 50 series. The picture quality not bad, but I just feel say e too warm for me. Oh yeah, make we test wetin the video quality be like. Hi guys, in case you don't know, Valentine is coming. Where is your girlfriend? Where is your boyfriend? You don't have. You fit shoot for 2K 30 frames per second and 1080p 30 frames per second, but I go advise you make you use 1080p 30 frames per second because of better stability. Okay, so what do you guys think about the color and the sound? Let me know in the comment section below. It's not looking bad actually. Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus get MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, wey make am fast and responsive. You fit do all your daily tasks without wahala. This phone come with 8GB RAM, wey fit expand reach 16GB RAM, and e get 128GB USF 2.2 storage. The operating system na Android 14. Plus, Infinix don add Jara with their AI feature wey go allow you erase unwanted objects for images, generate AI images, and even AI voice assistant. The phone comes with 5000 mAh battery and 33 watts fast charging. This phone go reach about 1 hour 30 minutes to collect fire for body before e go reach 100%. Lastly, e get IP54 dust and splash resistant, but abeg no go put am for deep water make e no go enter menopause. If I go complain about anything for this phone, na the color of the one wey I dey owe. I for prefer black, but this color go fit ladies well well. Another thing be say e no support 5G network, but Hot 50 normal support am. Another thing be say this phone get IP54 splash proof, which means say e no go fit handle plenty water and e no go fit stay under water for too long. Processor na another ogbonge thing wey people dey look for when they wan buy phone. E come with MediaTek Helio G100 6nm processor, but the other phone wey get 3nm processor dey the game too. Make I explain give you. If you get a phone wey get small nanometer, e mean say e go perform well if you dey operate am and e no go too chop your battery. You no go fit use eSIM, but e support micro SD in case you wan up your storage. The UFS 2.2 storage no really jiggy at all. You fit dey experience small lag for the phone when you dey multitask or waka pass your application. Other phone dey wey come with UFS 3.2 with better speed. UFS na when you don overuse your phone for too long and you wan access your file and application, but e no gree you do am on time. Na wetin e mean be that. The phone come with 2.0 USB Type-C, which means say you fit dey experience small delay if you dey copy file from the phone and you dey copy file to the phone, compared to other phone wey get 3.2 USB Type-C. The under display fingerprint reader na optical, but ultrasonic for make sense and dey safe. Aside from the small issue, na solid phone. Na so e be for today for Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus. My name na Tech Bobo. Abeg like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make you dey always shine your eye when you dey buy smartphone, make you no go lose guard. I go see you for the other room, for the other side. Peace out.